Hey, what it do? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Flaming Manny, back at again with another video. I'm here, as you can see. Before we start, I want to say thank you to all the people that have been showing mad love to my YouTube channel. We are at 410, I want to say, subscribers. Thank you, it means a lot. Let's try to get to 500. That's the next goal. But yeah, let's get into the video. I'm sure you guys can tell by the title. How to get from newbie to beginner on Pocket Option. If you don't know what newbie and beginner is from Pocket Option, I'm going to go ahead and show you. Let's go to the screen. So newbie and beginner is basically this right here. It would be newbie, balance less than $100. These are all the benefits, Jesus, of being on being on newbie. The highest I've ever gone to is experienced. If you want to go ahead and see for yourself, you can go and follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna go ahead and put my Instagram somewhere on the screen. You can follow my Instagram, check my highlights out, and yeah, you'll be able to see all of my earnings. So I'm going to show you guys how to go from newbie to beginner. Right now I don't have any money in my account, obviously, as you can see. There's a reason for that. I'm working on something behind the scenes for you guys. You might enjoy. I don't know if I'm actually going to record it and post it, or if I'm just going to keep doing this, because this is a finance channel. This is not a just a binary option or pocket option channel. This is a finance channel. I want to be able to show you guys how to make money, how I make money, and stuff like that. If I do look rough, it's because I do landscaping. So, yeah, I was doing landscaping before I came home and started recording. All right, try to say all of that real quick, but all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm gonna be showing you guys with my my demo account. Let's get into it. Into my demo account. All right. Say you put the minimum amount of money into your account. Excuse me. You'd be like somewhere at 50. I'm gonna show you guys how to go from 50 to 100, because when you don't have any money, you're basically a stranger, and then once you have any sort of money in your account, you become a newbie, right? If you go from anywhere from anything lower than $100, you're a newbie. Anything above, you're a beginner. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get from there to there. All right, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I do. All right, this is really risky. I'm letting you know right now. I'm the kind of person that likes to risk it all. I'm gonna be showing you the strategy I use to get from $50, $20 to 100 plus. The most money I've ever had in my account is $5K, somewhere on there. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys. I'm gonna be showing you guys on the screen. We're on the screen now. Move this. We're on the screen, and let me go ahead and show you guys my strategy for trading on from 50, anywhere around there, 50 lower or anywhere below 100, to get you to past that 100 mark, because I know there isn't that many videos out there to show you how to go from 50 to 100 on Pocket Option, or just from newbie to beginner. So basically, the strategy I would use for trying to figure out how to get to 50 to 100 is I would go on over the counter. If you don't know what over the counter is, it's basically this right here where it says OTC. Over the counter is basically when a pair is closed, like you can't go and trade it publicly or whatever. It's closed. That's what OTC means, over the counter. A lot of people suggest that you don't trade over the counter, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it because you can trade with 15 seconds. Everything else, I think the minimum is 30 seconds for anything that's over the counter, and then cryptocurrencies, it's a minimum of, I want to say, a minute. So correct me if I'm wrong. Go ahead and start. We're at $53. I'm gonna show you guys what I do to get to $100. The first couple of steps that I'm gonna give you guys that I do, or tips, is, give me a second. Like I trade for from 50, from anything lower than 50, I trade $5. If you have less than $10, trade $2. But anything below 50, I trade $5 for, and until I get to 75 or $80. And then once I get to there, I trade $10 until I get to 100 to 150, until I feel comfortable. And then from there, I would do 20s and whatever, but we're not covering that. We're going to cover to get to beginner. So I'm going to start with 5s until I get to like 75, somewhere around there. I do get bored really easily. That's why my risk tolerance is through the roof. The strategy I'm going to be using today is just buy or sell according to the trend. You see how this is coming down? I would have kept placing sells, and you see how this is going up right now? I would continuously place buys. I'm going to be using the most profitable one, the over-the-counter Euro and RUB. I don't know what RUB is. I'll put it on the screen somewhere. And yeah, let's go ahead and do it. Let's see. I wouldn't be able to tell you what this is doing. Let's place a buy. Yeah, as you can see, it is less than 15 seconds, so all you have to do is be in the money for 15 seconds. We're in the money. $5, we're at 58. Let it drop a little bit more, and then I'll place a buy trade. This looks like it's gonna start going down again, but oh, it's going down. Now it's going back up. All right, we're at $62. We have to keep placing buys since it looks like it's gonna keep going that way. Oh, it's turning around. It's turning around. All right, we lost this trade. No problem. You know, we're at $57. I don't know what it's doing. I can't really tell the trend. It looks like it's still going up, but this might be the highest it could go. Nope. See, nobody actually knows what's going on. I have had people text me these past couple of days, and they say I'm gambling. It's not really gambling. Well, yeah, everybody's gambling. It's basically gambling. Nobody knows what it's gonna do. Look, it's going up. I should be placing buys. Yeah, especially if it's over the counter. Over the counter is way more volatile. It has a higher volatility. Sorry, I'm a bit tired. I've been up since like 3 in the morning. We're at $62. We're gonna keep placing buys since it is going up, and the strategy that I'm using is keep buying towards the trend. Since it's the easiest and the most simple. It does take a bit of timing, so that's the only thing. Let's see if we can get to 60, over 60. It should start turning around since this is like the support and resistance stuff. Ooh, doesn't know what to do. Oh, we just lost that. But yeah, keep placing sells. At this point, I would get bored and start doing higher trades. So that's what I'm gonna go do. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly what I do to get to over 100 or 100. All right, as you guys can see, I did make the trade. I'm sorry, I need to text my girlfriend back because you know. let's see what this candle does. It's dipping. I think it's gonna keep going up. It looks like it's slowing down. When you see those long candles start getting smaller and smaller, you know it's slowing down, and you should be expecting a reverse. So I'm gonna wait for this candle to expire, and then I'll see what I'm gonna do. I'm really feeling a turnaround around here shortly, so let's place a sell. I'm currently freezing, so if I look like really shook, that is why. Place another sell. I'm gonna get to, I want to say, oh, yeah, okay. Keep placing cells. And you might say that, yes, this is a demo account. I can go ahead and do it for, I can do it on live if you guys like. Follow me on Instagram. I can go live on Instagram and show you guys that I can do this in person. This is like easy. I want to say easy, but you know, people do spend a lot of money in trying to figure out how to do this. But I want to say there's risk. There's high risk, but high reward. If I do blow my account on this, I'm just going to be realistic and post it. If I don't, then I'm gonna go ahead and post that. It's not the biggest deal. I would go for $20 here. Looks like it might drop again. Looks like it doesn't know what to do right there. If anything, it should come down to like around this area and then turn around, since you know support and resistance. Keep placing cells. Let's see what this candle does. I can't, just, it's going against all my instincts. Yeah, you see, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. If you guys are enjoying this video and it's helpful in any way, please consider liking, subscribing, you know, all that fun stuff. I placed a sell. Hopefully we don't look crazy. Oof. Yeah, I think we're gonna lose this trade, but it's okay, because then it would look not realistic if I just kept winning them. Oh, I won it. Well, as you guys can see, I got to 115 just using that strategy. If you guys want to see me do this live, so follow me on Instagram, be subscribed, and like the video, please. My Instagram, once again, is gonna be here on the screen. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time. Peace.